Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we will discuss about what is a permission set in Salesforce and step by step to create one permission set as well, and how we can assign a permission set to a user. So this is what we are going to discuss in this video. So basically let's try to understand what is a permission set. So basically, a permission set is a Salesforce functionality that allows you to grant additional permissions to a specific user without modifying their profiles. So let's say you are working in a sales team and you are an enterprise sales rep. So all the enterprise sales reps would be having similar access, and let's say you want to have some additional access to any object or any feature, right? So that is the place where we try to get a permission set, create a permission set and assign it. So think of it's like a key, while user profile defines general access and a permission set provides extra access. So if you note the difference, right? I used to tell you, there was a video I have created regarding how to create a role in Salesforce. So I'm just trying to map it there. So basically, a profile is something what you can do, and a role is something what you can, what you can see like record level. Profile is an object level, and permission set is something to provide what you can do additionally more than a profile. So this is how you can remember. You may receive an interview question on this part as well, right? So where exactly this used commonly? For example, enabling features like lightning experience, or enabling features like SSO, or giving temporary access to objects or apps, or giving access to some reports or dashboards, or else let's say assigning a special permission for specific task. So these are some use case scenarios where you can use a permission set in Salesforce. Let's try to understand a scenario here. So imagine you are the Salesforce admin for Trail Tech and you receive the below ticket. So the ticket would be like enable lightning experience for user. So reporter is Mary Johnson and description is I'm unable to access the lightning experience interface. Please enable lightning for my user account. So basically in this scenario, Mary Johnson wants to log in into Salesforce as a lightning user. So first let's see if Mary Johnson was able to log in as as a lightning user or not. Let's go here, go to Trailhead, just click on here, hands on org, and just launching this. So let's try login as a Mary Johnson first. So Mary Johnson has custom sales profile. So we are going to log in. You see, lightning experience is enabled for your organization, but not yet for you. So let me click on OK. So this is how lightning looks like, and there would be something here to switch to lightning. So unfortunately, Mary Johnson doesn't have this access. So what we can do here is we will create a permission set and we can solve this issue. So let me click on logout. I don't remember the password, so I'm just launching it again. Now what we can do here is we can create a permission set. So to create a permission set, we need to click on here and come back to setup, and then here search for something called permission set. Just click on new and then enable lightning experience. You can name any label and API name, and description would be the ticket number, and here you can mention something like This permission set allows a user to experience lightning interface. So writing a description makes more clear why we have created it and where we are going to use it. So let's save it. So you see it, right? Now what we are going to do is we are enabling lightning experience here. So lightning experience user, just click on here, and if you see, I'm just going to click on edit. See lightning experience, we have selected this, and now we are clicking on save. So you see, save, right? Now what we can do here is just I'm going to create a duplicate and click on sales, and what I will do is I will try to log in as Mary Johnson now. Mary Johnson, login as. So if you see, this is the error we got, right? Now what I will do here is I'm gonna log out. It is logging out from everywhere. Now what I will do is I'm gonna click on manage assignments. Okay, let me refresh this again. Now I'm gonna click on manage assignments. I mean, we are assigning the permission set to a user now. So we have assigned a permission set. You can set up some expiration date as well. I never got an opportunity to use it, and just click on assign. So after 60 days, this permission set will go away. Done. Right? We have one user here under this permission set. So this is the place where you can check how many users are assigned with this permission set. Now go back to this one, or maybe here only sales. Now if you see Mary Johnson login as, you see, now we got this. So initially when we tried, we got this error, and then we created a permission set and selected this system permission, and then we have assigned it. Now we were able to log into the Salesforce from lightning experience. I mean, the user is able to experience lightning experience here, and you can also log out from here whenever you logged in. So basically this is how it is. So I think this is it. Just to recap what we have done here, we initially tried to log in as a user who doesn't have a lightning experience. Then we created a permission set. Then we assigned. Once we assigned the permission set, we were able to get the things done. Now, what are the best practices of permission set? Let's try to discuss that. So basically, permission sets, if you use permission sets, right, you don't need to modify profiles, and without disturbing profiles, you can use it to assign any user. And next thing is keep names more descriptive and descriptions more descriptive, so that anyone who wants to take a look or use the permission set, they can understand it easily. And then audit the permission sets periodically, so you'll get to know how many users were assigned, how many users have access to this specific permission set, and avoid creating similar permission sets so that you won't duplicate access with multiple permission sets. So I think that's it. So you can assume like permission sets or like a lifesaver for Salesforce admin. Within just few clicks, right, you can grant access solve requests and keep your org very smoothly. I think that's it for this video, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you really learned something new about Salesforce here. And if you like this video, please do like. And if you feel that you want to share this video with Salesforce learners, please do share it and comment if you have any questions. I'll try to answer, and subscribe to my channel for more Salesforce videos. Thank you and have a great day.